How to sign up or log in the Bitget application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to sign up or log in Bitget, it is quite simple. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to Play Store or App Store depending upon your device type and search for Bitget. If not installed, tap on the install button, and if already installed, make sure it has been updated to the latest version. After that, tap on the open button to launch the application. Once you tap on open, it will land to this interface, and once you have reached here, tap on get started button. Once you tap on the get started button, it will take you to another page. Now to create a new account and sign up, you can either do it using your email or mobile number. After that, you have to provide a password, or you could directly log in or sign up using Google account, Apple ID, or the Telegram account. Likewise, to log in directly, tap on the login button on the top right corner, provide in your email address, then the password, or you could use your Gmail account. And once you have confirmed and verified it, you should be successfully logged in. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.